Hey guys, Rich Pacini here, your YouTube vlog creator. What you see here is my banner for my YouTube channel. And I want to show you something really cool. I'm doing a screen share here. As you can see, I got my iPhone over here. We're doing a screen share. And if you look over here where my mouse cursor is moving, you're going to see it's a little QR reader. Check this out. I'm going to do it live. Watch this here. I have my phone right here. And I'm going to go to QR reader. And I'm going to scroll over here. And look what it does. It brings me right to this. Right here. That's it. So what's cool about this here, folks, is I don't know if anybody ever showed you this here, but I hope maybe I'm the first one. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. I don't really care. It doesn't matter because I want to help the people who follow me on my YouTube channel and my subscribers. So if this is the first time, hit my YouTube channel. I just want to say welcome to you guys out there. And I also want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content. You come back for more. And this video is being edited with Filmora 14. Okay, do you guys want to do this here? You could also do it with your business cards. But right now I want to show you how to add it to your banner if you choose to do. If you have a YouTube banner, you want to edit there. Now some people may say, I never really see these here. Well, you don't have to necessarily add it to your banner. Can't hurt. But you might say, well, if they're already there, why would I need to put a QR reader there? You could have that QR reader go to another video if you choose to do so. All right, I'm not saying it's going to recommend it all the time, but you guys are going to have fun with this here. Okay, you got to be creative. Okay, and as YouTube creators, that's what we do. We create, right? Okay, so let me show you how it's done. All right, and I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to get this back over here where it was. Go back to the reader. Leave it over there for now. And let's see, let me just go like this for time being. Leave it like that for now. It's on. My phone won't time out because I got it on set for never right now. Anyway, let me show you how I did this here. So there's a thing over here from Canva. It's called Canva's free easy QR code generator. Okay, I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, basically when you go here, let me move myself over here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to move myself over here probably. Okay, so what happens is it's easy. It'll give you a little information. I will drop the link to this here. Okay, so you guys don't have to go crazy with it. All right, and the way it works is like this here. It says generate the QR code. We're going to do that now, right? It says on here. Let's read a little bit. It says Canva's free easy QR code generator. Reach new clients with a free QR code from Canva QR code generator. Idea for marketing material and marketing materials and business cards. Create well-designed QR codes in a few clicks. So when you click this on, it's going to bring you to this window. I'm going to show you, this is really easy, folks. It really is. You can use the existing design, which I'm going to use. I like the little square one. You could also create a new design, but we're going to use the existing one. And I'm going to show you how quick this is, how easy it is. All right, so I'm going to go to my projects, okay? And I'm going to go to, I think it's this one here, the one with the Let's Talk eBay. No, not that one there. I've seen it before. Let's see here. Let's see what this is all about here. I don't know. I will leave this one here for time being. Let's leave this here. All right, let's leave it like this for now. Okay, what I want to do is, if I do have a YouTube channel. It's called Shop RJ Pacini for Great Deals. Now, if I want to direct people to that there or to my, let's say in this case, my eBay listings. Watch this here. I'm going to go over here. This is my page for my listings here. All right, you could, and this you could set this up differently as well. I will have it where, so when people go there, this is what they're going to see. This is what I'm selling right now. I got 51 irons. I don't know, this ain't I'm not putting it a little blurb there, but if you do like anything here, you see, you're more than welcome to. For this I'm using this here for demo purposes. Okay, so check this out, guys. I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here. Okay, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy it. Right click, and I'm going to hit copy. Okay, I'm going to go back over here. And you see where it says URL? Look how easy this is, guys. Watch. I'm going to right click and paste it. Right? Generate the code. Boom. There it is. Let's test this out. Now, this here is going to bring me to this. Okay? So let's test this out now. Let's go back over here. Here's the QR code. We just generated it. Okay? I'm going to get my phone again. Here we go. I got my phone right here. And I'm going to go to the barcode reader. Okay, and I'm going to go over here like this. I got the wire attached here. Let's just take the wire here. And let's go over here. And boom, there it is on my phone. There it is. It's on my phone. See? Here it is, right here. See, I'm moving my phone back and forth. You see how easy it is, folks? You could do this with business cards. You could do it whatever. If you got banners, whatever, you know. You could also print it out. If you make a business card, you could put this on there, and it will work with business cards, okay? It's working online right now, all right? It is so easy to use, and I hope you guys will take advantage of this, okay? Take advantage of it. I mean, you might say, well, what am I going to, you know, what could I, you know, you don't have to use it on your banner, on your YouTube banner. You could do it at the end of your videos if you want. You could just have that QR code there. Maybe if you want, you could put like a little listing next to it or something. To see more, you could put in there, like, in other words, where that banner is, you could say, I mean, the QR code, you could say, to check out my listing, well, for me, for eBay, okay, we'll just use an example. To check out my listings on eBay, click on the QR code. Bingo. I mean, you can't beat it. Look, it's really cool, guys. And as you can see, I did it live right here. It's right on my phone, and it works. So that's all I want to share with you guys. I know I'm doing this video quick. I hope you guys will take advantage of it, and if you do use it and you find it very helpful, in whether you're using your banner or business cards, and you want to drop a link below to say, hey, thanks for sharing this information with me, it really helps out, you know. And let me tell you something, with Canva, you can make business cards, you can make, oh my God, you can do flyers. It just goes on and on and on. Check out, I'll drop the link for Canva as well, in case you guys, you know, if you're not familiar with it. I'm sure you are. There's also Adobe Express, but I use Canva a lot for this stuff here. I'm not sure if the other guys have the QR code. They may, but I know right now, I know Canva has it, and it's for free right now. So take advantage of it, guys, all right? That's all I have for you right now, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bastini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.